March 1971, this DB6 MK2, originally finished in Burnt Almond with Natural Connolly hide interior and matching carpets, was first supplied to a Professor Sydney Cohen CBE, a renowned pathologist in London, passing through 3 further hands before being restored in the mid-2010s, including the fitment of refrigerated air conditioning, improved insulation, and upgraded suspension. Originally specified with the optional and ill-fated Brico fuel injection system, this example, as with all DB6 MK2s, received a carburettor conversion, some to standard and some to Vantage specifications. In this instance, it was to the Vantage specifications, including a triple set of 45mm DCOE Webber carburettors. Substantially restored and upgraded between 2011 and 17, including a chassis restoration and bare metal repaint in Cumberland Grey, a complete engine rebuild to 4.2 litre lead-free specifications, and rebuilds to the suspension, brakes and electrics, as well as replating of the exterior brightwork, have all been carried out by established and renowned Aston Martin specialists. This excellent example of the DB6 MK2 has been expertly maintained and evidently much cherished by its previous owners. A pictorial chassis restoration book accompanies the car's history file, clearly demonstrating the depth and excellence of the restoration works completed. Last changing hands in 2018, all maintenance and annual servicing has been carried out by our trained heritage technicians over the last 6 years and 5,000 miles covered. A substantial history file accompanying the car includes MOT certificates from the mid-1980s onward, confirming the current display of 67,200 miles covered. Earlier records and invoices for maintenance from well-established Aston Martin specialist engineers dating from the early 90s onwards are contained within the file. Rare, refined and bred for grand touring, the Aston Martin DB6 MK2 was produced for just 16 months at the end of a successful DB6 and DB6 Vantage production run, ending in 1971, after just 240 DB6 MK2s left the Newport Pagnell manufacturing facilities before production ceased of the iconic DB bloodline. Undoubtedly, the most refined of the 1960s generation DBs, the distinguished DB6 MK2 was equipped in standard specification with significantly improved seating, a lighter clutch, power-assisted steering, and an increased wheel width and tyre combination, all combining to deliver substantially enhanced road holding and handling, with greater refinement and improved comfort over earlier DB6s. Distinguished by subtly flared wheel arches, the DB6 MK2's appearance, stance, and overall balanced performance remains a favourite with collectors for its period dynamic performance, improved comfort, distinctive appearance, and rarity, all adding to the feel-good factor associated with classic car motoring. Available for viewing now and demonstration at our Hertfordshire showrooms.